Hello gorgeous, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am super excited to play with the Natasha Denona My Dream palette. This was just released. I ordered it the day that it came out on Sephora. I knew that I wanted it. The last couple of Natasha Denona releases I have passed on. She is not an inexpensive brand by any means. This palette retails for $69. I don't think I own one that I do not enjoy. So I was very excited to see the cool, warm, neutral. There are two shades in here that shift in color. I was very excited to grab this, so I did. Today I'm going to show you two looks. I hope you will enjoy. I hope that this will help you as to whether or not you want to get inspiration for maybe palettes that you have that look similar to this, or if you are looking to see if looks can be created that will work for you. Either way, let's have some fun. Keep watching. Look number one. Are you excited? I know I am. Starting with my Glamlite 02 sort of flat brush. And I'm gonna go into Edgy, which looks like it might have a little bit of shimmer in it, but we're gonna see what we can do. I have very little makeup on because my plan is to do this first look, wash it off, then do a second look for you and give you my final thoughts. Edgy is pretty. Building that up in that outer corner. I've really been enjoying these Glamlite brushes. That's really pretty. Okay, flipping the brush over, and I'm going to go into this Instinct right here. I'm going to put it right next to it. Very similar. You can tell it's a little bit of a different texture though. Now I'm going to go into this Vision. This one is the most exciting to me. It's got green, it's got purple. I see green. I'm curious what you all see. I think it's looking very pretty. I'm going to take a little bit of this Unity and use it to blend out the edges. This is the Glamlite 01, so we're going in with Unity, which is a peachy shade, but it's close to my skin tone. I'm just going to use this to soften those edges. I'm going in with the lightest hand. This is my Luna Magic flat brush. Take a look at Risk. This is what Risk looks like. Got a little bit of a coppery tone to it. I'm gonna wet that with a little Fix Plus because it does have a bit of a shimmer to it. Let's take a Risk, why don't we? Wiping off the brush. I'm going to go back in with Instinct and go right underneath that. Okay, little liner and mascara, and I'll be right back. I am back with a little liner and lashes, and this is look number one. I think it's gorgeous. The shimmers are not super popping, but I think this is a very wearable raspberry purple cool and warm toned look put together. Stay with me. I'm gonna go wash my face, blow dry my hair, put my face makeup on, and I'll be back for look number 2 and my final thoughts. I am back for look number 2. Updated the makeup just a little bit, decided not to wash my face, so just cleaned off my eyes. I'm sure you understand. I just can't wait to get into this again. So here is the palette. I played with these 3 colors, a little bit of this one, and now I want to get into some of the warmer colors. So I think what I'll do is I will start with Familia in that outer corner. And I'm gonna go right back into that Glamlight 02 brush that is clean. Tapping off the brush. Beautiful. It's a really nice texture. It's blending super easily. So nice. There's something just very luxurious feeling about these shadows. We have Invention, Spontaneous, Thrill to play with. We have Babies. Now I think Babies looks a little more cool. I think where I'm looking is going to be either Invention or Thrill. Let's go ahead and swatch these. Here is Invention. Here is Thrill. So Invention and Thrill. Now Thrill looks to be a duochrome, and it is more of a topper, but I do see gold and peach in there. Let's look at Spontaneous. That's very pretty. Going into Spontaneous. Feels very creamy. If it goes over a little bit, you can always take that first brush and just blend over that edge. This is the brush with Familia on it. When you're working with different textures, it's always smart to swatch them first so you know what you're getting into, if it's a full pigment shimmer or if it's meant to just be more of a topper. Now I'm going to go into that Thrill. I love that intervention, but I feel like I just did a coppery look. So let's go into Thrill, which is a duochrome topper. And let's see if that adds. A little bit. Maybe just a little more shimmer is what it's looking like. It just brightens it up a little bit more. Maybe a day to night. Very pretty. I'm going to go into Carpe Diem. I've wiped off the brush and I'm going to use that shade to sort of blend these two shades together. It's in that same family as Familia, but a little bit lighter, so the gradient will look nice. Now, just like I did before, I'm going to take this bigger, this is the 04 brush, and I'm going to go into Unity again. And I'm just going to very, very lightly go over these edges to make sure that blend is good. For the bottom lash line, I'm going to go back into my Luna Magic and I'm going to try out this aspiration. Let's see what that looks like close to the waterline. See a little bit of a purpley tinge to this. So this is not exactly what I want. I'm going to go back over it with Familia. And then you know we're getting into that blackest black. So because that tone wasn't what I wanted, I'm just going right over it with Familia. So I want to stick to the warmer shades on this look. Great. And you know I want to play with blackest black. So I'm going to take my Glamlite 03 little angled brush, and I'm going to go into blackest black, which I already own this in the Xenon palette, so I know I like it. And then I will sort of go up a little bit. Just sort of carrying it over a little bit. Making sure the wings match. I'm going to take a little bit of that blackest black down into that outer corner bottom. Little liner lashes. I'll be right back. I am back with some waterline, eyeliner, and lashes, and this is the look. It is warm, it is beautiful. Tell me what you think. Final thoughts. This palette is gorgeous. I love all of the shades in here. Now, what did I not get a chance to play with? Serenity, which looks like a beautiful, cool-toned, coppery taupe. Nurture, which is going to go beautifully with that Serenity look. Babies, which is a gorgeous shimmer. I mean, I can see a look right there that's going to be so cool-toned, neutral, gorgeous. I didn't get to play with that Invention shade, this coppery gold shimmer. I know that will be a favorite of mine. I mean, that's just the prettiest coppery orange. Overall, I absolutely love the palette. Is it worth $69? That is truthfully up to you. Are you a makeup lover? Do you like the luxury, heavy palettes that feel like they're not a $10 palette? To me, this is my third of Natasha Denona's mini palettes. I have the tiny ones, and I have 3 of these. Of the big ones that I have Glam, which is very cool-toned neutrals, silvers, and I also have Bronze, which is all the browns and coppers and oranges, which is also beautiful. I have a few of the minis, but I don't have any of these cool tone purple shades. I don't have any duochromes. So this fit nicely in my makeup stash. This is an investment. I do feel a difference when I'm putting these shadows on. They feel softer, more blendable. The shimmer is more elegant than popping. My Natasha Denona palettes I would compare to my Wayne Goss palettes, where there's just something special about them. So I am a fan. I will have all of the makeup that I have on my face listed. I know I haven't done a September chopping block video as of yet. I've been a little crazy with back to school. I may end up combining that video and show you what I was working on in September and what's gonna make the cut and what's not. But trust me, I have those items picked. I have some of those items on my face today, so if you're curious, check out in the description box, because I'll of course have everything listed. If you want to see more looks with this palette, because I know I can put at least 2-3 more looks together, let me know. I will do that. Maybe I'll do something for Instagram. Thank you so much for joining me. I am off to eat and take my mama to the doctor's appointment that she has. Make sure you're subscribed. Give the video a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. And of course, let's have a conversation in the comments. Have a great day. I'll see you in the next one.